How to use the words dessert and desert correctly. Let's start with the first word, dessert with two S's. The word dessert is a noun. It is the sweet course served at the end of the meal. It is pronounced as dessert. Notice that the stress is on the second syllable. Dessert. Examples: Mom is currently making a dessert in the kitchen. It's the most delicious dessert I've ever tasted. Apple pie and chocolate cake are my favorite desserts. The second one is the word desert or dessert. This word could be a noun or a verb. This is an example of a homograph. Homographs are words having the same spelling but have different pronunciation and meanings. As a noun, it means a dry region of land with little or no vegetation. It is pronounced as desert. This time, the stress is on the first syllable. Desert. Examples: The setting of the movie is in a desert. The world's largest desert is actually the continent of Antarctica. As a verb, this word means to leave or abandon someone who needs you. This time, the pronunciation is different. It is now pronounced the same as dessert. If you've noticed, the stress is again on the second syllable, just like the first word, dessert. Examples: I can't understand mothers who desert their children. Why did you desert me? Here's a table to help you understand. Let's start with the word dessert. The word dessert is a noun. It means a sweet course served at the end of the meal, and its pronunciation is dessert. Notice that the stress is on the second syllable. Dessert. The second one is the word desert or dessert. This word could mean two things, a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means a dry region of land with little or no vegetation, and it is pronounced as desert. The stress is on the first syllable, desert. As a verb, the meaning is to leave or abandon someone who needs you. Its pronunciation is dessert. Same with the noun dessert. Tip: For you not to forget the correct spelling of dessert, just remember this. Dessert has two S's because you would want two desserts and not two deserts. For our exercise, fill the blanks with the correct words. The first one: Can I ask for a blank recipe? The correct answer is dessert. Can I ask for a dessert recipe? Where is the stress? On the second syllable, dessert. Dessert here means a sweet course served at the end of the meal. The second one: I can live in a blank as long as I'm with you. The correct answer is desert. I can live in a desert as long as I'm with you. Where is the stress in this word? Correct. On the first syllable, desert. Desert here means a dry place with little or no vegetation. The third one: To blank you is the last thing I do. The correct answer is desert. To desert you is the last thing I do. Where is the stress in this word? On the second syllable. Desert. To desert you is the last thing I do. Desert here is a verb which means to abandon someone who needs you. The fourth one. Do you know the reason why she blank you? The correct answer is deserted. Do you know the reason why she deserted you? We use deserted here because desert is a verb. The fifth one. I want to go to a blank and see what it really looks like. The correct answer is desert. I want to go to a desert and see what it really looks like. Where is the stress in this word? On the first syllable, since it is a place. The last one. I'll bring a special blank for tonight's dinner. The correct answer is dessert. I'll bring a special dessert for tonight's dinner. Where is the stress in this word? On the second syllable. Dessert.